Hello everyone, myself Bhavna Kalani. I am dietitian in UN Mehta Institute of Cardiology and Research Center since 14 years. Today's my presentation topic is clinical nutrition, the foundation of disease recovery. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the study of how our body uses food to grow and remain healthy. It includes nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin and minerals. Nutrient gives us energy, it supports growth. It helps in maintaining good health. There are two types of nutrients. The one is macronutrient and other one is micronutrient. Macronutrients are very helpful. Macronutrients are needed in large amount like carbohydrate, protein, fat. Carbohydrates gives energy. Protein help in body repair and fat supports cell and hormones. And other one is micronutrient. Micronutrient are essential, needed in small amount, but it is very important for the body. They help in immunity, bone health and body process. Lack of these can slow healing. Role of nutrient are important for recovery from illness. A balanced diet give energy and help in body heal faster. Nutrient help in tissue repair as well as they give strength and support recovery. The carbohydrate and fats. Carbohydrate and fats are very helpful. Carbohydrates and fats are main sources of energy. 1 gram carbohydrates gives 4 kilocalorie and 1 gram of fat gives 9 kilocalorie. Then protein. Protein are also very helpful. Protein are building blocks of the body. They help repair tissue and support immune system. 1 gram protein gives 4 kilocalorie. They supports muscles recovery. Then micronutrient. Micronutrient like vitamin and mineral are also essential for health and recovery. It improves the immunity. Micronutrient helps in healing. Micronutrient like vitamin A, C, iron and calcium are very helpful for our health. Then introduction to clinical nutrition. Clinical nutrition is the use of proper diet to help treat disease and prevent malnutrition. It is very important during illness and hospital stay as it supports the faster recovery and better health. It connects the medical treatment with nutrition, ensuring patients get the right nutrient for healing and strength. Then what is clinical nutrition? Clinical nutrition means giving special nutrition care to patients based on their medical condition and body needs. It includes different way of providing nutrition, depend on what each patient requires, like oral diet therapy, enteral nutrition, and parenteral nutrition. In oral diet therapy, this means eating normal food like meals and snacks. The diet is specially planned or changed according to the person's medical condition, such as like a diabetic, cardiac disease, or recovery after illness. And then internal feeding. When a person cannot eat normally, liquid nutrition is given through the tube directly into the stomach or the intestine. This method is used when the digestive system is still working, but the person cannot swallow or eat enough. Then parenteral nutrition. Parenteral nutrition, in this method, nutrients are given directly into the bloodstream through IV. It is used when the digestive system is not working properly and cannot absorb properly food. Some important diseases where clinical nutrition essential for recovery, like malnutrition, wound healing and tissue repairs, immune system, diabetes, heart disease, cancer, post-surgical recovery. In this disease, clinical nutrition is very essential. Then first, impact of malnutrition in disease. Malnutrition significantly worsen the patient outcome across all disease state. Uh, Due to malnutrition, delay wound healing, increase infection rate, muscle wasting. Due to malnutrition, long hospital stay and higher mortality rate. Role in wound healing and tissue repair. Good nutrition help wounds heal faster and improve tissue repair. Protein for tissue regeneration, vitamin C and zinc for collagen. Adequate calorie prevent the breakdown. First, protein for tissue regeneration. Protein helps the body build and repair the tissue. It supports the growth of new cells and help heal heal wounds by rebuilding damaged area. Then vitamin C and zinc are also very helpful. These important nutrients help the body make collagen, which gives strength and support new tissues. This helps wound become stronger and heal properly. Then adequate calorie prevent breakdown. Getting enough energy or calorie helps the body avoid breaking down muscles for the fuel. This keeps the body strong and provide the energy needed for the proper healing. Then immune system. Immune system support. Clinical nutrition is very helpful for immune system support. Clinical nutrition play a vital role in supporting the immune system. Adequate intake of key vitamins and minerals, ensuring the body can mount effective immune response during the illness and recovery. Some nutrients are very helpful, important for immunity, like vitamin C, increase the white blood cell. Vitamin D control the immune response. Zinc help immune the cells. Iron carries the oxygen. Selenium is a part of antioxidant, and vitamin A protect the body barriers. Strengthening of immunity. Proper nutrients fuel the immune system by providing essential building blocks for antibodies and white blood cell. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetable, lean protein and whole grains reduce the inflammation and enhance the body's ability to fight infection during the recovery. Uh, then diabetic management. Diet is very important in managing diabetes. A well-planned diet helps regulate the blood sugar level and reduce the complication and improve the overall quality of life for patient. In diabetes, glycemic control, diet play an important role in managing blood sugar level. Choosing low glycemic index food, controlling portion size and spacing meal is evenly throughout the day help the prevent the sudden increase in blood sugar. Then for heart health, proper nutrition play a critical role in prevention, management and recovery from cardiovascular condition by reducing the cholesterol, blood pressure and inflammation. Then heart healthy nutrient. Some nutrients are very important for the heart health like omega 3. Omega 3 reduce the fat in the blood. Then fiber. Fiber lower the cholesterol. Potassium control the blood pressure and antioxidant. Antioxidant is also helpful for reduce the damages. Then dietary approaches. The DASH diet, dietary approach to stop hypertension. Emphasize the fruits, vegetables, whole grains and low-fat dairy while limiting sodium to lower blood pressure. The Mediterranean diet focus on olive oil, nuts, fish and plant-based foods to reduce the cardiovascular risk. Both approach, dietary approach to stop hypertension and Mediterranean diet, both approaches are clinically proved to improve the heart outcome significantly. Then for cancer recovery, diet is very helpful for cancer recovery. Nutrition is very important during and after cancer treatment. Due to good nutrition, maintain strength, support immune function, help in faster recovery. Nutrition challenges in cancer treatment like chemotherapy and radiation often cause nausea, loss of appetite, taste changes and making adequate nutrition a significantly change for the patients. Muscle wasting, weight loss and nutrient deficiency are common during the cancer treatment. In cancer, nutrients proper diet help the cancer patient recover better like omega-3 fatty acid, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E and zinc play a key role in immune support and tissue repair during the recovery. Then hydration, importance of hydration. Water is very important for the body. Water maintains the body temperature. Water helps in transport the nutrient, supports the organs. Proper hydration helps in faster recovery. Then nutrition in critical care. Providing nutrition early in ICU patient is very important. The timing and the method of nutrition delivery are critical factors in the critical care setting. Then first one is early enteral feeding improve the outcome. Starting tube feeding within the 24 to 48 hours after ICU admission helps the patient survive better, recover faster and get fewer infection. Then due to proper nutrition maintain gut integrity. Internal feeding helps keep the gut healthy, which stop the harmful bacteria from the spreading in the body and reduce the infection risk. Then reduce the ICU stay and ventilator days. Giving proper nutrition helps patient leave the ICU sooner and reduce the time they need a ventilator. Then post-surgical and cardiac recovery. Nutrition play a major role after surgery or heart-related treatment. A proper diet helps the body heal faster. High protein for healing. Protein helps repair damaged tissue, heal wound, and rebuild muscles after surgery or injury. Controls fat and sodium. Limiting unhealthy fat and salt helps to control the blood pressure and support heart health during the recovery. Then adequate energy for rehabilitation. Getting enough calorie gives the body energy for movement, physical therapy and daily activity needed for the recovery. Then clinical dietitian. Clinical dietitian's role are also very helpful in hospital stay. Clinical dietitian's role like nutritional assessment, individualized planning, and patient education. Clinical dietitian are the nutrition expert who turn medical need into simple diet plan. They check lab reports, calculate how much energy and protein a patient need, and plan a diet to fix nutrient deficiency or excess. They also manage special diet for controlling disease like diabetes, kidney disease, heart problem, food allergy, and provide proper nutrition to support for critically ill patient. Then benefit of clinical nutrition. Clinical nutrition leads a clear improvement in patient care. Due to clinical nutrition, faster recovery, reduce complication, shorter hospital stay, improve quality of life, and lower the healthcare cost. First, faster recovery. Due to clinical nutrition, proper nutrition helps the body heal tissue and recover more quickly from illness or surgery. Then, reduce the complication. It lower the risk of infection, wound problem, and other medical complications. Due to clinical nutrition, shorter the hospital stay. Patient is recover faster, so they can leave the hospital sooner. Then improve the quality of life. Better nutrition, improve the strength, energy level, and overall well-being during and after treatment. And due to clinical nutrition, lower the healthcare cost. Fewer complication and shorter hospital stay reduce the medical expense for both patients as well as for hospital. Thank you.